and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chloe Brown, and today I am going to show you a new product that came out from Croc. I don't know if you guys saw back, but a few months ago I shared that Croc came out with a new crystalline, and it is available exclusively at Ulta.com. This one is pretty cool. It has a very small clamp. It does have the Marcel option, so if you unlock it, you can twist the barrel around, or you can set it to the locked position and just use it as a regular spring iron. It also has infrared technology. As you can see, this red line, it has a whole bunch of red lights coming out of it. That is the infrared light. And it has 4 heat settings. So today what I did was I used it as a wand. Because my hair is shorter, it was a little more difficult to get the shorter pieces to curl when I was just using a regular spring iron. So I decided to switch things up, use it as a wand, but clamp some of my hair to make it easier to wand curl, and it worked out beautifully. I really love how this hairstyle turned out. If you want to see how I use this curling iron in this video, then keep on watching. Since this clamp is very small, it would probably be better if we had longer pieces of hair. So what I'm going to do is I think that this would be used perfectly for wand curling, because wand curling kind of sucks because your hair doesn't stay in place. Well, this clamp allows it to stay in place. So what you're going to do is you're going to clamp your hair just like that, right at the root, and then wrap it around, and then rest your fingers on the end piece. That way your hair doesn't fall out, you don't lose grip of your hair. This is fantastic. So great little clamp. I love that it doesn't go all the way down, so you can actually wrap your hair around, but you can clamp your hair too. So perfect little wand curl. Okay, so for this front one, you're gonna clamp from the back and then wrap it around. So I'm gonna do wand curls away from my face and towards my face, just to add some dimension, and so my hair doesn't all like run together. And I'm gonna be doing this for the remainder of my hair. I really do love this small clamp for this wand curl. I think that it makes wand curling so easy. I like wand curling my hair. I always open the clamp and then like set it down on top of it, but this way it just allows for an easier option so my hair doesn't, you know, move around. I never really thought that just a small clamp, like, I didn't think that this would work as good as it does for wand curling. I also like that it has this like built-in stand right here, because you can set that on your head and you don't burn your hair, or you don't burn your scalp. So wand curling is super easy if you have longer pieces. If you have shorter pieces, it is kind of hard because you can only get like one curl in there and you don't really see the effects of it. But the longer pieces, as you can tell, look really, really good. And you want to let these cool to room temperature before you touch them. I'm also leaving about like an inch or 2 of my hair out at the bottom, so it's straight. All right, I'm gonna hairspray this section just to let it sit. Everything else looks curled back there. This all looks good. All right, next section. All right, so what I'm gonna do for this section in the front is I want this part to be a little straighter in front of my face, and then I want the curl to go that way. Same with this section, so we're just gonna straighten those 2 front pieces just on the bang part. And then we're gonna wand curl. Perfect. So in the front, I'm gonna do one away from my face and then one towards. I really want this lift by the root. I want like a big bang look right here. If your hair doesn't hold a curl very well, I highly suggest that you tease your hair before you curl. That way you don't ruin the curl with your tease. I'm gonna spray it again, let it set. Now this side, even though I'm going to flip it, I'm gonna curl it on this side and then flip. This part I'm gonna curl away from my face, but it's actually gonna be towards my face when I flip it. All right, now let's talk about teasing. So teasing, I take a very firm, sturdy comb and I take little tiny sections of hair. I start in the back and I just tease like the first 2 inches of my hair, and I make sure that I really concentrate the tease right at the scalp. And then I just do a couple sections on the sides, not very many on the sides. I will go back and edit that when I do that front hair flip. If you guys need to hairspray in between, go ahead. That's when to do it now. Then I'm gonna scratch my head. And the reason why I put my fingers in there and scratch my head is to just make sure that the tease isn't lumpy and it's all cohesive and it looks like it's supposed to be there. Then we do the hair flip, and that is where you get that lift. And don't worry if it doesn't seem like it's holding together. We're just gonna tease just a tiny bit right there and hairspray it together so that the tease stays exactly where you want it. Kind of move your hair around, do exactly what you want to do, fluff it up. I put a little extra hairspray in there right when I'm done fluffing, and here we go. There's the final look. Very big bang, a lot of volume in there. Obviously I didn't look at the back of my hair while I was filming this video, so just ignore that, but I go back and edit it later in the day. So anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this final look. All in all, I do really like this curling iron for wand curls. I find that it's super easy. My hair turned out exactly the way that I wanted it, and all of the ends turned out completely straight. My hair feels super soft. I absolutely love the lift that it gave my bangs right here. I barely had to do anything. Sometimes I do have to work a little harder to get my bangs higher, but it worked out fine. I think it was because I was able to get close to the root with that clamp and then curl all the way around. So if you guys want this curling iron, I will link it down in the description box below. Again, it is available at Ulta. And if you are looking to purchase any Croc items from crocusa.com, you are more than welcome to use my code Chloe30 for 30% off all of their stuff. So thank you again for watching, and happy December. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.